Greetings, humans. I decided to make this video a chill step observation as opposed to a tutorial, because after I finished the last video, I realized that I'm doing the same stuff in this one. So let me stop talking and just allow you to observe. And if you have any questions, please ask. However, I will intervene to point out anything important. But besides that, just sit back, pay attention, and ask any questions. As you can see, I have to switch from the change attribute to the type text, because as shown here, the change attribute command isn't working. I don't know exactly why this command isn't working, but it's not working. So as a result, I'm just going to have to switch to type text. Sometimes we have to do that. Sometimes we have to just switch the command. It's perfectly okay. So in the last video, I explained the importance of putting in weights and decided that right now would be a really good opportunity to show what happens when you don't properly use weights. So as you're going to see, once we get finished selecting everything, I'm going to go ahead and run the sequence, and you're going to see how some of the steps are missed. And that's because the bot is going through everything too fast. So this variable right here that you see, at the end it should contain this URL. Watch what actually happens. As you can see, the bot missed posting into the content area. It missed posting the category. And so it also missed copying the URL and storing it into that post URL variable. And so I'm going to go ahead and apply some weights. And another thing is that you're going to see me delete the post a couple of times, because right now the bot is posting static content. And so this static content is going to be replaced with dynamic content once the sequence is complete. So I'm deleting the post just so that I don't keep building up duplicate posts in there. It's not something you would have to do. It's just force a habit for me. So it looks like I'm going to have to change this command from the type text back to a change attribute command. As you can see, for some reason it's just not chucking the text to type into there. So sometimes that happens, and sometimes it's easier to just change the command than it is to troubleshoot and figure out what the problem is. So I'm just going to go ahead and switch to change attribute, and everything should be fine.